Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have recently started this channel where I share my daily analysis on the currency pairs. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 16th March 2021. So this analysis is for 16th March only. You'll be seeing me again tomorrow with the analysis for 17th March. Okay, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that the last traded price, or sorry, this will be CMP, current market price. Okay, so the current market price is 109.14, and there is no doubt that market is a beautiful uptrend. Okay, beautiful uptrend. As I always mention, trending market are easier to trade. Okay, because the complications are very less. Okay, so we just need to look for the area of value, grab it and just enjoy. Okay, so we can see that it is trading here, but it got some resistance at this price range. Therefore there was some price rejection from below, but still the market is trending, and it is a beautiful uptrend, there is no doubt. So what should be our strategy then? Let me take out the pencil and say. So we can see that if market is in oversold, or sorry, overbought zone right now, because the stochastic RSI indicates that market is in overbought zone for quite a while now. So there is a good chance or good possibility that market will eventually come down to cool off or to take rest. Okay, so when market will be in oversold zone, okay, when market will be in oversold zone, just look at the position of the price. Okay, because the area of value in an uptrend market is always near the support, and in this case the area of support is the 50 moving average. Okay, so when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, just look at the position of the price. So if you see that stochastic RSI or the market is in oversold zone, and if market is taking support at the 50 moving average, okay, if you find taking support at the 50 moving average in the form of a hammer, or say a big green candle, then that's the golden spot to buy. Okay, and or somehow if market does not come to take support at the 50 moving average, then just wait for some reversal sign, because see, from here, okay, where market came to the oversold zone, but it did not come down to the 50 moving average to take support, rather it went up. So in that case also, when you'll see the stochastic RSI is ready to move up again, but it did not take support at the 50 moving average, go and grab it. Okay, just keep your stop loss below the 50 moving average and just go on with the trade. Okay, and your take profit will be, I'll say that just be on the trade as long as market is trading above this 50 moving average. And if you are a safe trader and you don't want to take any sort of risk, you are looking for the safest entry possible, then what you can do, you just wait for USD Japanese yen to cross this particular zone or this particular line. So here I've mentioned it's 109.37. Okay, when market will cross this 109.37 level, okay, then look at the position of the stochastic RSI. Okay, let the market trade comfortably above this level for some time. Okay, and when market will be in oversold zone, suppose market has crossed this level, okay, and market is in this place or overbought zone, then wait for the market to cool off again. So when market will come down to the oversold zone, and just look at the position of the price. If you see that, okay, market is still trading comfortably above this resistance, okay, so then you can go for a buy. Okay, so if market crosses this level, then wait for the market to come to the oversold zone. Okay, and when market will be in oversold zone. Just look at the position of the price. If you see that market is still trading above this level comfortably, then it's also a very good position to initiate the buy order. Otherwise, as I mentioned earlier, right now market is in overbought zone. Wait for stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold level. When it will hit the oversold level, just look at the position of the price. If it is taking support at the 50 moving average, then grab it. If it doesn't come down to take support at the 50 moving average and ready to go up, then also you can go for a buy. And if you're looking for a safe entry, then you can go ahead and buy above this line when market will be in oversold zone and will be ready to go up again. So this is the simple analysis for USD JPY. It's a trending market, so things are very simple, not much complications. Okay, so hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please do thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much, and do check out my website also if you want to know more about it. Thank you, bye bye. The link is in the description.